All right, welcome back. This is Ryan Draving, faculty member with Executive Education Alliance and senior marketing methodologist with Philly Marketing Labs, an online marketing agency in Philadelphia. I'm here today to talk with you about the entire SEO course that we're going to take you through. Now, unlike a traditional course, we're going to help you take action after every video. So, once we get through the quick introduction videos, we're really going to get into an action-oriented course that will help you work on your existing business challenges rather than putting it off until after you've taken the entire course. So we're getting rid of the detour model and going to the action model. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Google is a search engine. When someone wants to find something, they go to Google, type in their phrase, and Google's engine, their machine behind the scenes, pulls out all kinds of websites that are relevant to what that person just typed into Google's front end. And then they spit out a whole set of results. So if I go to Google and I type in Philadelphia injury lawyer, here we go. Google's engine just ran through a complex algorithm to decide which ads show up in the paid sections, the top on the right-hand side here, what map results should show up, if any, and what websites should show up. And here we are on the first page. And then that algorithm went through all the way through hundreds of results and decided what order they should all be ranked in. Now, this is one example, but when we go back here, you see search engine optimization is really how do you take your specific website and optimize it for those search engine results. So the first video that we're going to cover coming up is a set of videos on discovering SEO. So really understanding on a deeper level than we're going to talk about right here what goes into SEO. And I'm going to teach you about what the main pillars of SEO are. There are really two primary pillars that hold up a successful search engine optimized website and get it to rank high on the search engines. Those two pillars are links coming into the website and content that is on the website itself. So we'll talk about what that means, and then we'll start getting into how you can use that information to start taking action and making a difference for your own search engine rankings. Once you've gotten that quick overview, we're going to start picking keywords for your business. So as a lawyer, you're going to need to decide, okay, which keywords should I choose? Do I want to be listed under personal injury or emergency lawyer or back sprain lawyer? There are lots of different options, and we're going to help you decide, okay, based on the competition and based on how popular those keywords are, so how many people search for them in a month, and based on the likelihood that they're going to convert if they click through from a search engine result to your website, how likely they are to become a client. Based on all of that, especially around the relevance and the competition, we're going to choose keywords. So that's actually going to be an action that you're going to come out of that section with, is a set of keywords that you are going to be targeting for your search engine optimization work on your website going forward. Then we're going to spy on your competition and get a sense of, okay, well, with these keywords, let's start taking a look at how successful do we need to be in link building and in building up the content on your website to start to beat your competitors and start showing up where they are. So we want your website to be moving up, pushing everyone else down a little bit. And that's what we're really going to be working on there. How do you optimize your website content? So that's a big piece of SEO, one of the two pillars, and it's something that is going to be crucial, and we'll go into the details of how you do that. So how you change header tags and title tags and lots of other words that you may not even know what they mean right now, but I'm going to make it easy for you, and we'll get right into that. So don't worry about it. We're also going to work on, okay, if you have a webmaster, what are some things that you can do to optimize your website and just send them changes that you'd like to see made. So that's if you have a web agency or someone doing your website for you. If you don't and you're doing your own website, we're going to get into, okay, what are some of the ways that you could do this yourself effectively? So what are some of the tools that you can use to make your website something that you can update and add content to that's not going to cost you tens of thousands of dollars or hundreds of thousands of dollars, and it's not going to take you nearly as much time as trying to learn how to code in HTML and CSS or any of the other programming languages. We're going to make it really easy for you to be able to update and change your website and create a website that is well optimized for the search engines. And then we're going to work on building links. And so this is a fun piece too, where we really are going to be looking at, okay, where do your competitors get their links? And could we be getting links from the same places as them? Also, we're going to be looking at what are some of the places out there that are already wanting to link into you. So how do we find the people that are already hungry for websites just like yours to be listed on their websites? And then what are some more in-depth strategies that we can use? Relational strategies, outreach strategies. How can we make the most of all of the different options out there? Optimize your directories and your maps listings. We're going to take a look at all of that, and as we go through each of these, they're all going to have a number of different components to them, each of these main categories that we're talking about on this list here. But as we go through those, you're really going to start to get a website that is not just building up your knowledge of what you should do down the road, but we're going to be teaching you how to do it and helping you do it right there on the spot. So you're never going to have to worry about, oh, what if I forget about this? Our videos are always right there for you. We have a toolbar that's available for you, so you're going to have a toolbar that you can use that will keep all of the links bookmarked and organized for you right there whenever you need it. That's this toolbar here. So as we talk about a topic, we'll just go through, and as we talk about keywords and use the Google Keyword tool, we'll literally just click on it right there in the video, and then anytime you need to use that keyword tool, you can click on it there as well and use it just like we did in the video. And if you ever forget, you can just go right back to a video. So our goal is to make this as easy for you as possible. And that's really what we're going to be covering in this course. The last thing is obviously we're going to be showing you how to track your progress and keep a running record of how are you doing at your goals. Did you set goals that were achievable, and are you making strong progress towards them? And have you hit some of your goals, and is it time to start setting some new ones because you're already doing well with those goals and starting to gain new valuable leads for your business? So that's what we're going to talk about here in the Search Engine Optimization course. And once again, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and I'm really looking forward to going through all of this with you. I'll look forward to seeing you in the coming videos. Thanks for joining me.